Namaste everyone, this is Rajesh here. Welcome to the first lecture of Factorisation. Now in this lecture, we will understand the concept of factorizing polynomials. If x minus 3 is multiplied by 2, we get 4x minus 6. Thus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of 4x minus 6. That is 4x minus 6 is equals to 2 into 2x minus 3. This is in simple words factorization. So what we have done, we have written this 4x minus 6 as 2 into 2x minus 3. Now let us solve some problems based on this concept. The first problem is 8x plus 16y. Now in these kind of problems, what we do? We take the common factor. So in 8x and 16y, first we see numerical term which is 8 and 16. So in 8 and 16, the common term is 8. So I will take 8 common, and in x and y nothing is common. So I will take 8 common. After taking 8 common, in the first term x is remaining, and in the second term 2y is remaining. So I write x plus 2y. So this is factorization of 8x plus 16y, which is equals to 8 into x plus 2y. Now let us see the next question. 6p plus 8q. Now here 6 and 8, these are two numbers, and the common in these two numbers is 2. 6 is coming in table of 2, 8 is coming in table of 2. So I will take 2 common, then from p and q nothing is common, there is no common factor. So in bracket I will write 3p plus 4q. So what I am doing? Actually I am finding the HCF, highest common factors, and I am taking that as common. Let us see the third question. 25xy minus 50y. Now from 25xy minus 50y, first if I check the number 25 and 50, so their HCF is 25, so I will take 25 common. Then from x, y and y is common, so I will take 25y common. Now as I take 25y common, in the first term only x is remaining, and in the second term minus 2 is remaining. So 25y into x minus y is my factorization of 25xy minus 50y. Let us see the fourth question. Minus 121m minus 11m square. Now here minus sign is common, so I will take minus sign common. Next 121 and 11, they have a common factor 11, so I will take 11 also common, and from m and m square I can take m common. So minus 11m, this is what I take common. So after taking minus 11m common, inside the bracket 11 is remaining from the first term, and from the second term plus m is remaining because I have taken minus sign, right? So inside plus m is remaining. Let us move to the fifth problem. A square b plus ab square. Now first see variable a. In the first term I have a square, in the second term I have a. So from a square and a I can take a common. Then from b and b square I can take b common. So a into b, that is ab, I can take common. After taking ab common, inside the bracket from this a square, as I have taken a common, so a is remaining, and I have taken b common, so nothing will remain in place of b. So inside bracket I have a, and from the second term, as I have taken a b common, so in place of b square I have b remaining. So ab into a plus b is my factorization of a square b plus ab square. Now let us move to sixth question. 24x cube y minus 30x square y. Now from 24 and 30 we can take 6 common. 6 is HCF of 24 and 30. Then from x cube and x square I can take x square common, and from y I have both the places y, so I can take y also common. So 6x square y is common term. Now after taking 6x square y common, in the first bracket 4x is remaining in the first place minus 5 is remaining at the second place, as I have taken both x square y common. So only 5 is remaining here, and here 4x is remaining. So 24x cube y minus 30x square y gives me 6x square y into 4x minus 5. Let us see the seventh question. Minus 9x cube minus 12x square plus 3x. Now in this problem, out of 3 terms, 2 terms have negative sign. So first I will take minus common. Then from 9, 12 and 3, I have 3 common. And then from x cube, x square, x, I have x common. So minus 3x I will take common. After taking minus 3x common, in the first place I have 3x square remaining. In the second place I have plus 4x remaining. You can open the bracket and see the multiplication. 3 4s are 12 and minus sign is there, so minus 12 x and x square. So from 12x square, as I have taken minus 3x common, so here 4x is remaining. Minus, as I have already taken minus common, so this plus sign will become minus. So minus, now 3x I have taken common, so here it is 1. So minus 9x cube minus 12x square plus 3x, it gives me 2 factors as minus 3x into 3x square plus 4x minus 1. Now let us see this 8th question. 25a square b c cube minus 35a b square c cube plus 45 a cube b c square. Now from these 3 terms, if I check the numbers 25, 35 and 45, so 5 is common. Now from a square, a and a cube, a is common. From b, b square and b, b is common. And from c cube and c square is common. So I will take 5a b c square common. Now after taking 5a b c square common, in the first place 5 is remaining in place of number, a is remaining in place of a square, b I have taken already common, and in place of c cube I have c remaining. So inside the bracket I have 5ac. Similarly for the second term, minus 7, because 5 already have taken common, so 5 7s are 35. So 7 is remaining, a already we have taken out, b we have taken out, so only b is remaining, and c square we have taken out, so c is remaining here. And lastly in the third term, out of 45 I have taken 5, so 9 is remaining, and in place of a cube, as I have taken a common, so a square is remaining. B c square I have taken common, so I will not write anything for that. So 25a square b c cube minus 35a b square c cube plus 45a cube b c square. If I factorize, I will get 5a b c square into 5ac minus 7bc plus 9a square. Okay, 9th question, x into x minus y plus x minus y. Now you can see here x minus y is common in both the terms. So I will take x minus y common. Now after taking x minus y common, in this first place only x is remaining, and in the second place 1 is remaining, as I have taken x minus y common. So x into x minus y plus x minus y gives me x minus y into x plus y. Now in this 10th question, x minus y power 4, and here it is x minus y power 3. So x minus y power 3 is common. So I will take x minus y power 3 common. After taking x minus y power 3 common, in the first place I have x minus y remaining, and in the second place I have 1 remaining. So I will write x minus y plus 1. So this is factorization of x minus y power 4 plus x minus y the whole cube. Now 11th question, a into x minus y minus b into y minus x. Now here it is x minus y and here it is y minus x. So first thing what I will do, I will first take this minus sign common, so that here also I will get x minus y. So when I take minus sign common, this minus will become plus. So I will write plus b into x minus y. Now x minus y is here as well as here. So I will take x minus y common. After taking x minus y common, in the first term I have a remaining, and in the second term I have b remaining. So x minus y into a plus b is the factorization of a into x minus y minus b into y minus x. Now let us see this last question. X minus y power 6 plus y minus x power 5. So here what we do? Here it is x minus y and here it is y minus x. Now if I take minus common, so it will be minus 1 power 5. So as we already know that minus 1 power odd number gives me minus sign. So I will write minus sign here and write this as x minus y power 5. So my expression will become x minus y power 6 minus x minus y power 5. Now x minus y power 5 I can take common. So after taking x minus y power 5, in the first place I have x minus y and in the second place I have 1. So my factorization is x minus y power 5 into x minus y minus 1. So we have solved lot of examples. In the next lecture we will see some more problems on factorization. Thank you.